Hello, Jules here. This is video number 2, PYM dashboard for service providers. If you are a service provider and your job is to service machines at several different sites and based on their usage, this video is for you. If you are an end user, your machines are needed to transform or create a product in a manufacturing or processing plant, video number 1 is more suited for you. Service providers, back to you. Let's start with the Overview tab. These two tables are showing your customers' machines. These machines are to be maintained based on their usage, and to monitor this, we have installed a tracking device on each machine. Each tracker reports directly to the PYM application and gives you valuable information via this PYM dashboard. First table is the preventive maintenance schedule with all the information you need about your customer's machine, such as the customer name, the current runtime, the next service runtime, and the next service date when you will get to that runtime. You can also have additional information such as service levels and job numbers if you have a service management system. The next table is a schedule for all the machines that are overdue for a service. You need to make sure that this table is always empty. When selecting a machine from one of these two tables, the dashboard takes you to the Equipment tab. Note that you can also look for an equipment via its equipment ID, if you know it, or you can look for it via its customer's detail information. The Dashboard tab is a summary of the upcoming preventive maintenance service. This gauge shows the current runtime, 4,616 hours. The previous service happened at 4,540 hours, and the next service will happen at 6,040 hours. You also have some indicators such as runtime per month. So this is your current month runtime, but also an average per week. Then you have the next service date, the service level associated to that service, and its job number if you have a job management system. Finally, a map is here to look at your assets, which can be quite handy for mobile assets, as the tracker fitted to the machine allows for GPS tracking. The last card is free for your notes. Next is the Service History tab. So the Service History tab shows you all the preventive maintenance tasks that have been performed on the equipment, which can be added manually via this form, or automatically by connecting your job management system to the PYM application. The Preventive Maintenance tab displays the preventive maintenance schedule for each service level, and you can manage your jobs and quotes for each future task via the forms for your jobs here, and if you want to go through quotes, you can manage your quotes as well here. Again here, same as the service history, you can connect these forms directly to your job management system, so it's all automatic. Next is the Service Agreement tab. Service agreements are great for both the service provider and the end user, but only if they are well managed. Here you can monitor start and end date, as well as allocated runtime and allocated service levels. Finally, Reports tab gives you an overview of your customer usage. Runtime combined to production combined to consumption allows you to quickly spot any unusual behavior and respond to your customer side proactively. So that's it for this video. Note that this is the first version and a lot of features will be added as we grow and get feedback from all of our users. If you want to know more, you can contact us via our website. Thank you.